So what are the diverse perspectives that we study in psychology? So the thing is that when we are trying to understand psychology, psychology is a very difficult. I mean, I wouldn't say very difficult, but a human is not very easy to understand, right? So from multiple angles, when you look at a human, you will be able to understand the human better. So, for
Yes.
example, when you're looking at a place and you have multiple maps of the place, for example, one of the maps is on the railways of that place, the other is on the roadways, the other is on the water channels of that place. You can't say that either of the maps is wrong. Each of the map is equally correct and equally valuable and giving a unique perspective of that place. So, this is what these perspectives do in psychology. For example, suppose someone has a disorder like schizophrenia, right? So that schizophrenia will be understood from a biological perspective, where the neuropsychologist will try to examine using an MRI about the person's brain, which areas have been affected the most. Cognitive psychologists will understand whether the memory has been affected, whether the person's thinking has been affected. Then a humanistic psychologist will try to look at the person as a human, a person who can develop his or her skills or potential in the best possible way given the person's current condition. Right? So each perspective is right in its own way, but they are giving you a slightly different idea about that person. And we are here trying to help people. Psychology is not just there for the sake of understanding, but also help someone, right? So each of the perspectives will help people in different ways. For example, a behavioral perspective could help improve a child's attentional difficulties, right? If a child has ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, so if they go to a psychologist, they can help using the behavioral perspective that child to improve their attention span, correct? So all these things are there where psychologists are genuinely helping people using these different perspectives.